Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT. This content may violate our terms of policy. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in ChatGPT application. Go to Apps Info, click on Storage, again click on Clear Data, tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search ChatGPT application. Update your ChatGPT application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your ChatGPT application. You can follow all ChatGPT application community guideline and solve this problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.